I want to thank you so much for being present for class today. As I said, I'm sorry I can't be with you, but I hope that this introduction has proved helpful for setting the stage for what we're going to study. And so I want to talk just a little bit about what we're going to cover next week. As I've said, inductive Bible study involves observation, interpretation, then application. And so we're going to start with studying observation. What does it mean to observe the text? How do we answer the question, what does the text say? But the most important thing that we have to do is to think about what is the skill that we use when we observe. When we read the biblical text, because it's a written text, we read it. And so we really have to answer the question, first and foremost, how do we read something well? So here's a question I would like for you to think about. And we'll start the class next week by discussing this question. How do you know if you have read something properly? We do this all the time. We read things, we respond to them, we observe, we interpret, we apply. But the basic question is, how do you know if you have read something properly? So please think on that question this next week. We'll start next class by discussing it. I really am thankful for you. I look forward to being with you next week, and I hope all of you enjoy the start of our study into unlocking God's story.